सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ध्येय आईएएस चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Himanshu Jain.
Yes, sir.
You're from Shadra.
Yes, sir.
What does Shadra mean?
So Shadara is like a door, Shahi Darwaza. Shahdara. So should I explain more? It's a gateway to Delhi from Meerut. So the road which runs from Meerut to Delhi, it's a gateway to Delhi.
And Shahi Darwaza, that's a very correct thing. Teaching underprivileged children, that's nice. So how did you teach a social worker or in part of a job or something?
Sir, I'm a volunteer. I'm a member of an NGO called Umeed. Sir, it works for the teaching and helping the underprivileged children by giving them books and other things. So I am a member of it, sir, and at weekends, sir, I go to a place near Lakshmi Nagar. So there the children, sir, I go and teach them.
कितने घंटे पढ़ाते हैं?
Sir, I teach for 1.5 hours or 2 hours, sir.
Once a week.
Yes, sir.
Once a week.
Yes, sir.
किस एज ग्रुप के बच्चे हैं ये?
Sir, these are children of class 3rd to 5th.
3rd to 5th. तो ये एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस लेते हैं वैसे स्कूल जाने वाले बच्चे हैं, ड्रॉप आउट नहीं है? अच्छा, ओके। तो इनकी क्या आपको लगता है समस्याएं ज़्यादा हैं जिस पे आपने जोर देना होता है?
Sir, there are few complaints which they do that the teachers don't teach, some of them. As well as, sir, even if the teachers teach, they don't get it because teachers focus mainly on the meritorious ones. And sir, apart from it, sir, they have problems in the field of learning mathematics because they can't get it when the teacher teaches. Even when I teach them, sir, even then the basic maths which should be they should be able to do, sir, they're able to learn it with difficulty.
कितने बच्चे हैं क्लास में?
Sir,
आपकी क्लास में?
sir, I don't teach as class wise, just like a tuition teacher teaches for in a group. So there are two to four children in a group, so I teach them. Yes, sir.
And how long have you been doing this?
So I'm a member of this Umeed NGO for sir, considerable time from 2016, sir.
क्यों ज्वाइन की थी आपने?
Sir, because sir, I've been teaching my friends. Then I developed an interest. Like it's a good thing when people are able to comprehend what you teach them. If they understand, that gives them happiness. Sir. So as a part of my internship, I joined this. Sir, since then I've been continuing it.
तो ये जो ऑल इंडिया सर्वे ऑफ एजुकेशन होता है, एस और एसर, व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड? एसर और एस? हैव यू हर्ड ऑफ दैट? एवरी एसर। सो क्या मेन फाइंडिंग है उसकी?
Sir, main finding is that the children jump classes who are promoted to next classes are not able to comprehend properly what is taught to them in the previous classes. And the children of class 8, sometimes extreme reports say that class 8 children are not able to do simple mathematics of class 3rd or 4th children, sir.
उसी को डील करने के लिए आप यू आर अ वॉलंटियर?
Continuing on the same theme, if you look at the last 10 ASER reports, the annual reports,
Yes, sir.
annual status of education report. So what trend do they indicate in terms of learning outcome? Which is the main problem identified by these reports? Do you agree that this is the main problem? Poor learning outcomes. So what is the trend? Is the learning outcomes going down the hill or stagnant or slightly improving or what?
Sir, I don't have complete information on the last 10 years report, but I can make a guess, sir.
Please try.
Sir, I think, sir, the problem has shifted from the enrollment and dropouts to now the quality of teaching.
My question is only about learning outcomes, which is about quality. It's going down for government schools, and for private schools, it's going up, but very gradually, very slowly, not at great speed. Right. Let me move to something else. You have studied economics.
Yes, sir.
Right. A number of stimulus packages have been announced by the government. Are they working?
So stimulus packages to banks.
To banks, which is one.
Sir,
Various sectors of the economy, including for banks.
so
How much was given to the banks?
Sir, in the last year it was 2.11 lakh crores, sir. Sir, the stimulus packages are given as the need arises in the economy, as there are problems in
Right.
the.
My question is, are they working?
So they,
Are they producing good outcomes?
Sir, I think, sir, that they are doing what they have been intended to do, but they are not performing remarkably
What are
because.
they intended to do?
So they have been intended to prevent the extreme levels of slowdown from happening, from disruptions to the sector.
So,
For example,
is that
sir,
happening?
yes, sir, on some sectors it is
Which
happening.
sectors have improved because of the stimulus package, and which stimulus package has worked? I'll be glad to hear that.
So can I think
Okay,
for?
please.
So, for example, sir, banks have been given enough stimulus so as to improve their financial
So,
conditions.
is there any significant improvement?
So, there has been a restraint on the falling down trajectory which they were on earlier. That deteriorating balance
What is
sheets.
the total estimate of NPA today?
Sir, it's 9.2% of the
9.2% of the.
gross NPA, sir.
What is the estimate of NPA in absolute terms?
Sir, I think it's 9.92 lakh crores.
Lakh crores, right? Is it going down? Has it come down in 6 months, 1 year?
Yes, sir, it has come down a
How
little.
much?
Sir, I think it's 0.5%. It was earlier 9.7.
I'm not sure about that, but you should check this.
I'll check it.
What are the key issues ailing the economy?
Sir, the Indian economy, sir, is suffering from a slowdown right now, which
What are
is
the main causes?
yes, sir. So, which is caused due to various structural reasons.
Like,
So, for example, sir, our investments and savings are not picking up, and they have gone.
investment, savings. Okay.
Yes, so they have gone down. Our exports have been stagnant for quite a lot of time now. Approximately, sir, 10 years they have been stagnant around 300, 320 billions. And
But
sir,
is any stimulus package directed at creating demand, increasing investment?
so the current budget did not specifically had a fiscal boost to the economy due to fiscal constraints. But sir, the concerns of sectors were addressed to an adequate level, sir.
Should think about it.
Okay, sir.
Have you heard about drugs, like drugs, the medicine,
Yes.
right? Then there are certain generic drugs
Yes,
and there are some other drugs. So how do you differentiate generic drugs? What is the generic name for a drug? For example, paracetamol. And what is the generic drug that it holds? Have you heard of such a thing?
I know the difference. I don't know the exact name of the drug.
Tell me
the
the
difference, I think, ma'am, is that the generic drug is the chemical formulation which are need to be given to the patient, whereas the branded name comes from adding the cost of advertisement, adding the name of the company, and other costs which are incurred in the sale of that drug.
Right. So, like Mr. Modi once announced, I don't remember the year, but he said that these generic drugs would cost like suppose 50 paise. But the company is charging 2 rupees, 3 rupees per capsule. So, do you think it works in our country or the branded thing only runs around like Ranbaxy and many other companies?
Ma'am, it works both ways. There are Jan Aushadhi Kendra and there are government hospitals which prescribe the generic drugs, whereas there are doctors which also on the private sector which prescribe these formulations in the form of Ranbaxy. So it is working both ways, while the focus of the government is to promote the free medicine by Jan Aushadhi, these generic drugs by Jan Aushadhi Kendra.
Yeah, because I think that even doctors maybe they have a connivance with the pharmacist or somebody who promotes his capsule, right? So do they get a percentage out of it or they just do it for as a friendship?
Ma'am, as per some newspaper reports, I think there is some nexus existing between the doctors and the pharmaceutical
Pharma,
companies.
So anyways, now there is like there's health, there's education, there are various sectors, service sector. Now we have too many people in UP, Uttar Pradesh. We have lots of population wise. We have many people in Bihar and so on. So why don't we transfer some of the population to a neighboring state which has capacity and which can carry the burden? Would it work?
Ma'am, there will be both issues from the both sides, the receiving state as well as the giving state. The giving state would not want to show its inability to provide to its people the resources, and ma'am, receiving state may not like to burden their limited resources with the influx of people. And apart from it, ma'am, it's as we have a free movement policy, it doesn't necessarily needs a push from the government. It can automatically happen. When people find opportunities in other states, they do shift into other states.
Go. Okay, so now you tell me that these are hydroelectric projects. You are building a dam, you are building all types. Now they shift villages also. When they have to shift for the land they need, they will move the whole village. Then is there protest or it is allowed safely?
Ma'am, there is definitely a protest if people are removed from their habitats.
They don't like it, but it's been done. The Indira Sagar project, they removed villages and put them in a very more modernized village. There was a hue and cry, but they were transferred and they were happy. New schools, new buildings, new houses, everything new. So it can happen. Who protests? Who are the people who protest?
Ma'am, people can be those who are not satisfied by the rehabilitation package. There can be people who have vested interest in the land or the area which is being converted into a dam.
You heard of Medha Patkar? A lady called Medha Patkar. She protests everywhere, in Bombay, in Maharashtra, in Madhya Pradesh, about all these projects.
Ma'am, I've heard the name, but I don't know.
Okay, sir.
In Jainism, is there something called Kaivalya? What is that?
So Kaivalya is a stage of a stage whereby after a person gets enlightened and achieves and becomes a Kevali.
So what exactly must be happening at that time? Lord Mahavira, when he faced that kind of experience, what were the situations?
So Kaivalya is a situation where
In Lord Mahavira's case, what happened at that time? When you say he was in Kaivalya and something.
So he was in deep meditation, not even distracted by the events of
and who
animals.
came and tried to disturb him?
The lions.
There is a book called History of Economics. Have you heard of it?
Yes, sir.
Who has it?
Sir, I'm not sure who written. I think, sir, it was R.G. Bhandarkar.
He was Indian. He was American ambassador to India. No idea? No. Okay. There is something called usury and interest. What is the difference between usury and interest? No idea? Okay. Recently, corporate tax was reduced. So they say so many thousands of crores has been given in favor of the industries. Okay. Now you have said the problem is that there is no buying capacity, saving is not there, investment is not there. Do you think these industries will invest these savings so that economy can be helped?
So corporate income tax, which has been reduced to make India as an investor friendly destination.
So will the people whose tax has been reduced, they saving from this tax, will they use it here in investment or not?
Sir, definitely the retail, the savings that people get from the profits which are reduced, the taxes which are
You
reduced.
are saying common sense. In India, investments are going down. What are the reasons? Do you think the money is not there?
So money is there.
Banks have money, still investment not taking place. So, if you make this concession, what will happen? Will it help the economy? That is what the question is.
Sir, it will help the economy in long run by bringing investments. The investment is a slow process as well as driven by many
we don't
factors.
need long term solutions, we need immediate solutions. Your economy is going down so badly.
Sir, but it can be due to the various structural reforms that are in process, sir.
So, I mean, some people have been saying that this is not structural, it is a cyclical problem, that is because of that there is the economy is going down. Do you think it is psychological or structural?
Sir, I think it is cyclical, but it has been elongated due to the lack of structural reforms.
So, that means it is structural as well as cyclical.
Yes, sir.
I see. Do you suggest any measure? Do you have any measure to suggest to improve the situation?
To improve the investment situation, sir?
No, investment situation, for that matter, recession situation.
Yes, sir. Sir, economy can be improved by fund infusion, as well as, sir, there is many problems with many industries are
Fund infusion,
facing.
you don't have funds.
Sir, other issues like sir, timely payment cycle which has been
For
neglected.
that you need money. How will you pay? You don't have money.
Sir, the need is to build the investor confidence by keeping our sentiments positive.
Tell me this President Trump's policy that of America First. What is this America First policy of President Trump?
Sir, America First policy is America's policy of putting their country's interest first, both economically as well as in the political domain.
What is new in it? Other presidents are also doing the same thing. You know? Every president, every government, everywhere, you know.
Sir, it was given a new name. For example, sir, earlier there was New Deal. This was new America's first policy to, sir, as a sort of electoral promise to tell people that what their goals would be. For example, sir, the multilateralism has been now neglected in favor of domestic economic interests.
So, policy of protectionism was adopted by him.
Yes, sir.
Why protection?
Sir, because the hegemony that America had is now fading due to the rise of China, and sir, as well as their economic interests are now better served by their protectionist policy, so they balanced it. So they have adopted a new policy of protectionism.
Or is it because, you know, to bring manufacturing back in America?
So that is also one of the reasons.
And for that they have given stimulus packages also. A number of stimulus packages were announced by the different industries, automobile and so many other countries. So do you think that our policy is to bring foreign investment in the country? When at a time now, you know, when the European economy as well as American economy is weak to an extent, do you think the foreign investment will come to India?
So foreign investment will come to India if the investment prospects as well as the profits expectations are.
They are giving stimulus packages. European investment are not coming already. You know, Germany's economy has slowed down. England is out of Brexit. You know, because of the Brexit, they are facing economic crunch. Then 2 or 3 Central European and Eastern European countries are facing serious economic crisis. So in that scenario, we depend mainly on foreign investment, and we hope that the foreign investment would come, and with it the foreign technology would come and India would develop, you know. So in this scenario, what will happen, you know, in such a scenario?
Sir, since the return that we offer, our interest rates are higher than most of these countries. Sir, as well as the labor market
Higher
is
is
cheaper.
there because of the inflation, because of the national internal problem, you know, because we are facing inflation, so prices, so that's why interest rate has high. So that more saving is encouraged. It has nothing to do with foreign policy.
And sir, our cheap labor also attracts them as their cost of
Cheap
production.
labor.
Yes, sir. And sir, the market size that India has internally.
No, the plan is manufacture is there and bring it here. They see India as a market, yes, but they don't want their car to be manufactured here, they don't want their products to be manufactured here, they want it there itself, you know, so that jobs would be created in America or Europe. That is the policy. Thank you.